There are three factors that affect speed of action potential: temperature, diameter of neuron or cell, and the myelin sheet on neuron, presence or absence of that sheet. So temperature, the change in temperature may change opening and closure of the channels because they are made up of proteins. It changes the permeability of the membrane itself for different ions. High temperature will allow more ions to leak out or leak in the membrane into the cell, so it may change the speed or velocity of the action potential. Similarly, it is also changing the biochemical reactions for opening or closure of metabotropic channel if they are metabotropic channel. So temperature is changing the velocity of action potential, and it may also change frequency of action potential on a membrane. Similarly, diameter of neuron or cell through which action potential is passing is also a factor for the speed of action potential, because decreasing diameter will increase the resistance, as with the case with the wire. We know the wire of smaller diameter pose more uh, resistance to the current. Similarly, the neurons or nerves of smaller diameter, they pose more resistance to the passage of the action potential through that membrane. We know the uh, cells, they have organelles and particles in cytoplasm. So if diameter is smaller, there are more chances that the ions that entered into the neuron, they keep on striking with these particles. And if diameter is greater, then the probability of striking with other particles for ions will be lesser, and they will reach to their destination easily to open the channel in next segment of the axon for entry of more sodium into the cell. Similarly, the myelin sheet, it helps the uh, action potential to, if it is present, it increases velocity of action potential. As we know, the in case of myelin sheet, because it is made up of lipid and it is provided by neuroglial cells. We know there are two types of neuroglial cells that are providing myelin sheets. They are Schwann cells and oligodendrocytes. The cells that are, we know there are two types of cells in nervous system: the neuron cells and neuroglial cells. Neuron cells are conducting and neuroglial cells are supporting cell, and we know there are five types: astrocytes, they are Schwann cells; oligodendrocytes, they are ependymal cell; and they are the monocyte like cells. So these cells, the Schwann cell and oligodendrocytes, these cells, they are providing sheets. Oligodendrocytes, they are making myelin along the nerves that are present in central nervous system. We know the central nervous system is made up of brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system is in periphery of the body, other than brain and central nervous system. These are myelin sheets are provided by Schwann cells. So the Schwann cells are the oligodendrocytes. They are wrapped along the their extensions are wrapped along the nerve, and we know the Schwann cell because they are cell, so their extensions, they are their cell membrane. So we know the cell membranes, they are made up of lipid bilayer. So myelin sheet is lipid sheets, so they provide insulation, therefore decreasing leakage of ions. If ions keep on leaking through cell membrane, then they may slow the action potential, or they may not allow to produce action potential. So the uh, myelin sheets, they provide insulation for the leakage of ions. And then the we know if there are negative positive ions outside, that is the sodium are more concentrated outside. So in order to counteract, there would be negative ions inside of the cell membrane. So if there is myelin sheet, then there is no negative ion inside, because there are no positive ion can gather on the membrane, like here. Here the positive ions are gathered on outer side and negative ions are gathered inside. So the in case of myelin sheet, because there is no capacitance, they are acting as a capacitor. There is these are the extracellular material, it is fluid, and cytoplasm is fluid. They are acting as conductor, and in between is cell membrane, that is the lipid bilayer. So it is acting as a capacitor to store charges. But in this case, in case of myelin sheet, there is no capacitance, because inside and outside they have in between them insulators. So there is no, it is not dielectric, it is an insulator. So the charges they cannot gather like non-myelinated or unmyelinated membrane. So this membrane will take more positive ions to go to action potential, but the membrane that is lined with myelin sheet need lesser positive ion to enter into the cell to depolarize. So less ions are required when myelin sheet is there to depolarize the myelinated cell. Then another thing that is increasing the speed of action potential is that on unmyelinated neuron or axon, the sodium and potassium channel, they are present at every patch of the membrane. So the ions they enter at each and every patch of the membrane. So we know the sodium channel, they have to get open, they are closed channel, so that take time. And then the potassium channel, they are also protein, so their opening and closure takes time. So the flow of action potential is slow, and even the ions they may leak out sometime or leak in sometimes, so decreasing the speed of action potential. And in case of myelin sheet, the cells, the ions they cannot leak out, and the channels they are only present at the nodes. There are nodes between two myelin sheets. There are segments of myelin sheet on axon, and each segment is provided by a cell, that is a Schwann cell. So in between these segments there are nodes. These nodes are called as node of Ranvier, the discoverer. And the myelin sheets, they are not having any channels, where these areas they are called as between nodes, the areas that are covered by myelin sheet are called as internodes. So internodes are not having any channel, sodium or potassium channel. So the channels are only present at nodes. So the ions they have to enter through the sodium channel only on node. So opening and closure of channels is the time taken by these channels is decreased due to decrease in number of channels. So the sodium ions only enter at nodes, and potassium ion leak only at nodes. So it will take less time to open and close, and these ions are sufficient because they are not leaking out through cell membrane. They are sufficient to reach to the next node to open the sodium and potassium channel there. So the sodium enters into next node and produce action potential over there. So this action potential then run through one node to another node, that is jumping or saltatory. It is not continuous as in case of the non-myelinated cell. So this is how myelin sheet increases the speed of action potential.